Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and today I have a review from a few of Born Pretty Store stamping plates. Two of them are from our Nicole Diary stamping plates, but let me show you, take a look at the new packaging from Born Pretty Store. Isn't that neat? I like that they now have this window right here. It gives you a peek at the what to expect from the stamping plate. So these two are Born Pretty Store. Let's take a look at the smallest one here. This is Fairy Tale S001. This is a square plate, and I have already, like I said, I don't know if I mentioned, I already removed the blue plastic film that protects the plate. So this one, let's take a closer look here. Oh, this one is so cool because it has like a mirror, and I don't know, to me it's kind of gothic style. There's a spider web, handheld mirrors, wall mirrors with reflective images in them, if that makes sense. And so you have some roses. I'll give you a close-up of this. Super cool, very neat plate. And this one is Fairy Tale L004. So this one, it has a few images similar to that smaller plate, but it also has some fairies. Super cute. Oh my gosh, adorable butterflies and some moons and like some, I don't know, it's these very delicate fairy wings. Take a look at that. And this one has the protective backing on the back. The other two that I have, these are Nicole Diary. So this one's Nicole Diary 183. It's a minimalistic type of designs on this one. There you go. So we have some female lady faces. There's the skulls and cigarettes and ladies smoking, hearts, that kind of stuff. And on this one, Nicole Diary 181, you have crosses and roses. Pretty cool there too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and leave you with, we'll do some swatches on all four of these stamping plates. And then I'll leave you at the end with the design that I'm going to do on my own nails. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so there you saw how well these stamping plates work. Now here's the design that I did with, this is with the Fairy Tale L004, simple design, and I will have a picture at the end, a close-up so you can see. But what I ended up doing for these two nails right here, I actually shrunk the image, and I'm going to show you side by side my nail right next to the image on the plate so you can see the shrinkage, how I managed to do that, or yeah. And that's why they're a little bit distorted, skinnier than what they really should be. But I'm happy with how they turned out. And if you are curious as to how I managed to do that, I have a separate video on that from way long time ago. I'll link it down below so you guys can go check it out. So that is all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I have a 10% discount, ID UK31. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me this beautiful plates to play with and review. If you guys enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.